today's video, we're going to be giving you a review by a laptop. But first, don't you just want a laptop of the Lenovo Yoga 530? Well, we're going to be doing a review about it for you to have a review if you want to buy it. So, it's 360 degrees, like that, not 180, and it has, let me fix this first. It's touchscreen. See, look, my mouse is here. And you tap. There we go. Touchscreen. It's Dolby Sound. How? I'll prove you. So let's go to my channel. My channel is PPX Hero. There we go. And let's show you a video. We're gonna be showing you getting Highlands one, for example. So. Okay, so that's the front bit. So you can hear the Dolby sound, yeah? If you can't, I don't know what you can hear. And this is also a SSD hard drive, which is 120 gigs of storage as well. And it's fast response from touchscreen like this, like Excel opens up. And it's 360. It's 14-inch from diagonal, like that. And it's 8 gig RAM, and yeah, it's also Windows 10 Home. It's not Windows 10s Home, whatever you call it. It's 1.6 kilograms, and it's, yeah, 1.6, so it's not that heavy if wherever you want to go. It's good graphics. Look, like, can you like, this is not blurry. Like, look, like, you can do loop. Like, I think I can't do that. You have to drag and drop. Good graphics. Look, like that. Look at my robot. Look at my robot. Yeah. It's fast charging, like really fast. Like when you're on empty, it will go for like an hour charging, because I tried it before. And there's a card reader. There's 2 standard USB plug-ins, so 1 here, 2 here, and there's a card reader, 1 card reader here, and you also have a on button here, and your microphone thing, and over here you got your charging thing. Over here, the first one, and then your HDMI, then you go on USB, then USB-C, then your audio speaker, and yeah. So you have 1 USB-C, you have card reader, it has a laptop lock, so like laptop lock, so like if people want to steal your laptop, you can lock it straight away. So you can't let people steal you. And it's also, it's a free USB charger, surprisingly, like it's free, like, yeah. And yeah, so that's gonna end today's review for the Lenovo Yoga 530. And so the main facts is it has Dolby Sound, SSD hard drive, and fast respawn, 360 degrees, 14-inch, 128 gigs of storage, and 8 gigs of RAM, and it's a Windows 10 Home. It's 1.6 kilograms, and it's fast charging, and it's touchscreen, and it's 2 USBs, 1 USB-C, 1 card reader, good graphics, and a free USB charger, and a free laptop, and a laptop lock, and yeah. So that's gonna end today's video of the Lenovo Yoga 530. So please like and subscribe this video, and comment down below what computer you would like me to do next. So that'll be it for today's video.